It's Andrew Morgan here from Cowen and Morgan Opticians, and we're ready to welcome you back to have your eyes examined again. But because of the current situation, we're having to amend the way that we do things and amend the practice layout. So I just want to show you what we've done. We've replaced all our chairs from soft furnishings to easy wipe down furniture. All the surfaces will be cleaned on a regular basis, and we've arranged the furniture to comply with social distancing regulations that are in force at the moment. We've also installed screens on the reception desk to protect you and our staff. Prior to your examination, we will ring you and ask you one or two questions. We're going to ask you whether you've got a fever, whether you've got a persistent new cough, or whether you've lost your sense of taste or smell. And if so, we're going to suggest that you don't come at this point, you ring NHS 111 and arrange to get a test. Before you come for your eye exam, the optometrist will contact you to discuss any problems that you're having. And the idea behind this is to cut down the amount of time that you need to spend in the consulting room. We may also suggest that one of our dispensing opticians speaks to you prior to the examination to discuss the options as far as your frames and lenses are concerned. When you arrive, you may find the front door is locked. Don't worry, we are open. It's just that sometimes we have to keep the door locked to limit the number of people in the practice at any one time. First thing, we'd ask you to use our hand sanitizer. We'd also like to take your temperature to make sure that you haven't got a fever. And as we're going to be in close proximity, less than 2 meters, we'd like to ask you to wear a mask. Don't worry, if you haven't got your own mask, we'll be able to provide one for you. All our opticians will be wearing the appropriate personal protection equipment for both your safety and our safety as well. As part of the examination, we'll be using some high-tech pieces of equipment to have a look at the back of your eye and to make sure your eyes are healthy. Again, to cut down the amount of time we have to spend in close proximity to you. When you're choosing frames, we'd ask you to ask our dispensing optician to pass them to you so that you can try them on. Then not put them back on display, but put them in the tray provided. This is so that we can sterilise and clean them before they go back on display. We hope you enjoy your rather different visit to Cowen and Morgan Opticians. All the measures we've put in place are to ensure that both you are safe and our staff is safe as well. Thank you. If you have any queries, please give me a ring on 01765 600 561. Thank you.